Hey guys, this is Josh at JDP Motorsports. Today we're going to show you a couple of tire and wheel combos. We get a lot of questions because we take our cars out, we race them, we beat the crap out of them, so what works best in combination. So one popular wheel that's not going to break the bank is the Forgestar. And the most popular, as you can see amongst a few of the cars here, is the F14. So we got the F14 on the Vet, got the F14 on the SS. That Trans Am down there also has the F14 wheel on it. So today we thought it would be cool just to kind of unbox one of them and show you guys exactly what you get. So we put them on the front here, and now this particular car, he's going to run a staggered setup, so it's a 19 on the rear and an 18 on the front. Right now it has the Z06 wheels. You can see that we put a brake setup on this car, as well as it has some adjustable coilovers. So here's what you get when you buy some wheels from Forgestar. So they come nicely wrapped. Pull this out of the way. They actually even give you some cool swag. So what do we got here? A license plate. Frame, you got a little lanyard, here's the center caps and things like that. And you can see here with the wheel, it's protected and boxed really nice. So it has this little plastic lip around the edge to protect it. And then obviously, you know, the wheel is also covered up with this. And then underneath, here we get to the actual wheel itself. So like I said, they come in a few different options. So you have a semi-concave, you have a deep concave, and you have a super deep concave. So as an example, this one is the deep concave, and it's a 19 by 11. So you can kind of see the concave on this wheel. And just by comparison, this one's the semi-concave up front. So you see a little bit of the difference. But we usually like to do a deep concave or a super deep concave on the rear. Just kind of makes it stand out a little bit and should look pretty good. And just like the fronts, we're going to put some of the Bridgestone RE71Rs on the front, well, and on the rear, and should make for a pretty good track combo.